Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Beast Wars Simulator. I know I made 4 parts of Meteor Trains. Instead of take a break from it and try playing our game. I'm in Beast Wars. Man, I haven't played this in a while. If you guys, I swear, if you guys don't know how to play, well, if you don't know how to play, you hope you don't have fear of bees. First off, because this game is full of bees and they follow you everywhere, proven right here. If you're scared of bees, click off this video if you're scared of bees. Don't click off. These aren't scary like what you think. See, like look how cool that guy is. And look how demonic that guy looks. And look how tiny that one is. You cannot say that's ugly. Anyway, today I'm just gonna wander around because I haven't played this in like a year. And hold on, what should I do? Science fair. What do you have for me? Oh, come on, really? Really? Come on. Ooh, I had to kill my I forgot. What was it? Oh, commando chick. Right. Go bees. Yes, stay down. Oh my god, my digital bee is like laughing at him. Or glitch bee. I have a wait, what is it? Digital bee? What is that? Yeah, digital bee. What the hell? Why am I saying I'm wrong? Guys, stop missing! Oh, he's in his egg form. He can't be hit. Why are you throwing grenades at me? Yo, I never saw a chicken. Come on, guys. Ow. Come on, guys. Ankles. Oh my god, he's throwing bombs at me. Dude, baby thing. Oh, Tabby! I almost have 500 Tabby love. Am I Mama Bear? Ow! Stop hitting me. Not really nice of you. In fact, very rude. Guys, you guys are having skill issues. Stop missing and hit him. Okay, you guys are having such massive skill issues. It's making me cry. Oh no, polar bear. Guys, stop. Guys, what do you attack? Why are you guys missing so much? He's right there. Let's bring the fire bees. Yo, I got 10 XP while as a bear morph, so ain't no way needing me. Wait, I got rid of my HCV. Do I still have him? Hope I didn't get rid of him. It's so funny they're just shooting at him like a gun. Bring back to a bear so I can run faster. Or just sting him. I'll take that. Yes, get more focus and more. Make him. Yeah, we gotta get super angry, guys. Come on. Get more angry. Oh, I have one more Tabby left. Come on. Ooh. Okay. Double fire. Ow! Get him! Yeah, get mad. Oh my god, now he's throwing 3 grenades. This is just too easy for me. Okay, come on. Guys, why are you attacking? That's so lazy! He has some strawberries. What? Wait, I named him okay. I named him High. I mean, that is a fire name, though. High is a fire name.
It is.
Oh, ankles. Stop bees. Gotta get the more fire bees. Okay, they just got a bunch of extra bees. Yeah, explode them. More. Dude, he's 10,000 health. Oh, it's night. Should be a vicious bee. Vicious? I've not played this in a while. Am I crazy? Or was it actually a vicious bee? It's not here. Yeah, vicious bee. I'm dumb. Oh yay! Found ant pass. I have a bunch. I think. You gotta find that vicious bee. Hopefully there's a stinger. Please be a stinger somewhere. I want a stinger. There needs to be a stinger. Come on. Stinger, please. There has to be a stinger. Ooh, free treats. Okay, not there. I hate this. Can't find a stupid stinger. Oh, let me guess. It probably didn't spawn. Really? Ooh, do I want to do a meteor shower? How do I get there? The bigger question. How the heck am I gonna get there? Hold up. I see a way. Going to the red HQ. We're gonna climb up here. Climb up. I think I have an idea. How are you ever supposed to... Wait. Okay, wait. I'm carrying, guys. I'm carrying. No, I sold. How are you supposed to get up there? Is there like some method? Like why do I have to make it so hard? I just want to activate meteor shower. Wait, maybe like this. Yes! Got to it. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna end the video here. Thank you guys. Actually, let's not end the video here. Let's go fight my scorpions. Come on, y'all. Let's just stay here for a little bit, then I'll actually end the video. I got so much good bees. God, Dow, I have such good bees, guys. Look at my bees, they're awesome. Oh, guys. Ooh, gummy rainstorm thing, I don't know. Free money! Oh, balloon! Okay. Laser thing, hold up. Double, my god. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna end the video now, so come on, please. Alright, come on, y'all. Ooh, bigger more. So I think I can walk faster. Come on, y'all. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. You know, oh, what? 3 seconds? Oh, God. Okay, guys. Peace. Thank you for watching my video. And I'll see you guys in the next video I make. Bye. I'll see you next time.